Hey everyone, today we're going to learn about the search and replace tool in Closed Caption Creator. As you can see, I already have a project open here that we're going to use today with an event group called Search and Replace, and it has 6 events in this event group. In order to search through the event group for a specific word or to replace a word, what we're going to do is we're going to use the search panel located underneath the video player in the Quick Tools drawer, right? So to the right of the Styles panel. And the search panel works just like any other search tool that you're probably used to using. What we can do here is I can put in my query in the search option, and then I have case sensitivity, match whole word, or replace all over here. And if I run search, what it's going to do is it's going to find the word that I've searched for, and it's going to return that as a result. In this case, I have gate, and it finds gatekeepers as a partial match. If I wanted to turn on case sensitivity, I can do that as well. So if you want to find anything where that's lowercase gate and hit search, I can do that here. And so in this case, it doesn't find anything in the project because we have gatekeepers with the uppercase G. Now, if we wanted to replace this with something else, we can do that as well. So instead of gatekeepers, maybe it's train keepers. I can do that as well. So what I can do is I can do search and replace. And now you'll notice that it says train keepers instead of gatekeepers. I can do the exact same thing for things like words like for, right? If you're using automatic captioning and maybe it mishears something and you meant F-O-R-E instead of F-O-R, you can do that here too. So I can do for and do the replacement. And in this case, I can replace all. Actually, before that, I'm just going to do the search to figure out how many we have. So we have 3 results. If I replace all, I can do replace. And now you'll notice that all of my 4s have been replaced with 4. Hopefully this video answers some of your questions about search and replace in Closed Caption Creator. If you guys have any other questions, feel free to reach out to our support team at closedcaptioncreator.com. Thanks.